Okay, we have been learning about closed syllables, but we've only been reading one syllable words up until now. So let's review what a syllable is. Remember, repeat after me. A syllable is.
A syllable is.
A word.
A word.
Or part of a word.
Or part of a word.
With one vowel sound.
With one vowel sound.
Okay, so we've been reading words like cat, mop, hug, with only one vowel sound. But now we're going to read longer words with more than one vowel sound. 2 claps or 2 times that our chin would go down, like catnip or hot dog. Okay, repeat after me if the word has 1 syllable or 2. You're going to tell me. Food.
Food.
1 syllable or 2?
1 syllable.
Yeah, because your mouth only went down 1 time. Food. Good. How about catnip?
2 syllables.
Good. Cup.
1.
Nutmeg.
2.
Good. Goblin.
2.
Okay. So you know the difference between 1 and 2 syllable words. Now we're going to read some 2 syllable words, but we're going to do it in a certain fun way, almost like being detective with words.
Okay.
Or like a mystery treasure hunt with words. So we're going to go into syllables in your student notebook, and I've written out some directions. So we both have the same words here, but you're going to get your marker. And the first set of directions is when we see a longer word, we have to break it up into chunks. So we're going to spot and dot the vowels. Remember, the vowels are
A, E, I, O, U.
Good. So where is the vowel here?
It is in for the word, it is in the second letter.
Okay, so we're going to put a dot above that vowel, just like that. And where's the next vowel?
In the 5th letter in the word.
You can just tell me the name of it.
I.
Okay, very good. So we're going to dot that one. Then we take our 2 fingers and move them on the letters with the 2 dots. And step 2 is move in. And step 3 is divide between the 2 consonants. So I'm going to do kind of like a dotted line. You can do a straight line like that. That's okay. Then we're going to scoop the syllables. So the first syllable is from the beginning of the word all the way till that middle dotted line. And then the next syllable is from that middle dotted line to the end. Then we're going to label the syllable type. Is this a magic E? Let's look at the first scoop. Is this a magic E or a closed syllable type?
A closed syllable type.
That's right. So what are we going to put under the scoop?
A C.
C for closed. And what are we going to put above the vowel?
A bowl brev.
A brev, yeah. The little bowl, the little cup to catch the rainwater. How about this second syllable? What kind of syllable is this?
Closed syllable.
A closed again. And what are we going to put above the vowel?
Brev.
That brev. Okay, and then step 5, it says, read 1 scoop at a time. So you kind of cover up 1 scoop. Read that first syllable to me.
Cow.
And then cover up the other one and read the second.
Vin.
Now put it together.
Calvin.
Yay! Okay, now this time you do it on your own with the second, but I'll read you the steps.
Okay.
Number 1, spot and jot the vowel. I'm going to use my blue one. That's one running out of ink a little.
Yeah.
Step 2, move in. Step 3, divide between the 2 consonants. Step 4, scoop the syllables. 1 scoop, 2 scoops. Mark them up. Closed, closed, brev, brev. Okay, cover the second scoop and just read that first one.
Nap, and then kin.
Put them together.
Napkin.
Yay! Yay! Okay, put your cap on the marker. And we're going to go to our student notebook and we're just going to add a little bit of pictures. So where it says spot and dot the vowels, you can just put little dots to remind yourself. And then move in, you could draw an arrow or 2 arrows pointing in. Excellent. And then divide between the 2 consonants. You could draw a line. And maybe, what's the consonant? How about let's do L.
L and then V.
Yep, that will remind us. And then it says scoop. So put some scoops under step 5. Or 4, I'm sorry.
Okay.
1 scoop, 2 scoops. Okay. And then read 1 scoop at a time and blend it together. So go ahead and do another scoop under step 5. Okay, excellent. So now I just want to try this one more time with nonsense words. So I'm going to bring our cards down. This is just for us to really see. And I have this little kit here. So what I'm going to give you is some jewels.
Okay.
And the jewels are going to be our spot and dot.
Okay.
So spot and dot the
vowels.
Good. Then put your finger under the vowels. And then what's the next step?
Put a line between,
well, move
the vowels.
Move in.
Move in.
And then
put a line
between
the 2 consonants.
Yep. So here's a pipe cleaner to divide. And then we're not going to scoop, but I have these syllable type cards. And what was our first syllable type?
Closed.
All right, so I have a C here for closed that you can put it. And what's our next syllable type?
Closed. 2.
2. Okay, now read that first syllable.
Quiff.
What's this? U.
Quf.
Qua.
Quaff.
Yes.
Can.
Say it fast.
Quaff can.
Beautiful. Okay, let's move some of these. The pattern's going to stay the same. Okay, let's do this one.
Okay, so get your dots and then put it to the vowel.
Yep.
And then we have to get our 2 fingers and then bring them in and get the line, put it down. So this is closed, closed. Okay, and then jiv, lop.
Beautiful. Let's do one more. It's the same pattern, so we don't have to, I just want you to read it again.
Okay. Wrist docks.
Beautiful. Okay. Excellent.